Good afternoon. My name is Liliana Castellanos. I am 22 years old. I am from Colombia. I am from Oaxaca. I lived with my mother, my daughter, and my brother. I studied business administration. I was caring and like good girl, and this said, and I not like eating peppers. Of course, I did it justice in Colombia. My last trips in Ricaut. It is located in Cundinamarca. I went with my family and close friends there. We ate a lot and we danced and we swam. We played. There was rum. I was happy because I spent a lot of time with my family because in YouTube travel twice in years with them. I am going to travel in June. I am to travel to Valledupar with my boyfriend, my daughter, because we want to know my boyfriend's father a new house. All I want to take and Brent and Do and Joe swimming.